Oh.
Is this the place hiring new teachers?
Sir, you're not going at the door. You're in the wall. You go ahead.
Oh. Is that what that is?
Yes. Please take a seat. So you want to be a teacher?
Yes.
Okay. What makes you qualified to be one of our teachers here?
I beat my kid's ass this morning. Anyway, I feel better. I also, excuse me. I also went ahead and I drank 5 bottles of whiskey today. It's 2 more than usual. And
anything else?
I fucking hate children.
Oh, lovely. Yeah, you're hired. Go ahead and shake my hand, and this will. Thank you.
Right, thank you.
Oh,
it's a nice phone you got there.
Thank you. Go ahead. The class will be ASL, and it should be on the left. Go ahead.
You got any more whiskey?
No, sadly.
Have you seen these people?
Actually, yeah, they're in your class right now.
Those fuckers! Pieces of shit!
To your left, sir.
I'm gonna beat your ass and send you back to Timbuktu, you stupid little shit! Little shit! I'm gonna fucking beat the fuck out of you! So crispy asses are gonna be mine! I'll throw you by the fucking front!
Whoa. Horrible creatures.
Oh, I know.
Okay,
So,
good. I thought you
anyone want some tacos?
Good morning, class!
I do.
Good morning, class. Good morning to all of you. My name is Kishibe. Or as some of you would probably know, the person that you may have trashed my fucking backyard. Not pointing any fingers. But of course, today we're learning about ASL. What exactly is ASL? Anyone want to tell me what ASL is in the class?
What the fuck is ASL?
You there with the red horns.
American Sign Language.
Close, but not exactly.
I thought it was ass.
Oh shit!
Ass and laugh.
Alright, well.
Me.
Whoa.
You look gay to me. Alright, I'll choose you.
So,
Damn, that's kind of crazy.
is it your mom or is it like the cow next door?
Damn. Very funny.
Oh.
Actually,
I don't like this cow already. I think I'm a joke.
Alright. So, as we all can tell, it's ass sign language. What the fuck does this mean? Well, it means when you use sign language on someone who's an ass to you. Like, for instance, I'll go ahead and use you as demonstration.
Me?
Oh, I know sign language.
And then, of course, this one over here is pretty good at it too.
Fuck you!
Damn, Aki.
Only on the weekends.
Damn, I really got that.
Okay, you really got of
That felt personal.
No, of course, class. This isn't the only thing you can do to learn our sign language. It could also be a form of great entertainment for all. In fact, Mrs. Redhorns, come on up here. That I will make an example of you to the entire class. Go on
There you
ahead.
go, Poe.
I want you.
Don't be stupid.
What do you want to do? Who do you want to communicate with in this fluent form of language?
The ghost in the back.
The ghost in the back. Ooh.
The ghost.
What do you want to say to the ghost in the back?
They're an asswipe.
Ghost.
Oh, well, you're probably gonna need this flask.
Some ass? An ass.
6 bottle of whiskey, let's go. So
Can I sit
you're
down?
gonna tell that ghost. No, you're gonna point at that ghost. You're gonna go. Understood? Very good, everyone. Let's give this one a hand. Now then, class. Every one of you gets an A. But you two, I'm going to need to see you after class.
The fuck?
Oh,
Aki, you shouldn't have left the peanut butter.
you're a guy.
Stupid.
You're gonna get touched.
The other two, you're dismissed. You two, stay in your seats.
See you guys at lunch.
So wait, I can leave.
Yeah, you can leave.
Yep.
Get out of here.
Thank
Go clean your
God.
feet.
See you later,
What?
alligator.
Let's go.
What have you
I'm
done?
sorry,
I
Justin.
can't remember. I
What
forgot
have you done
what the memory was.
Now then, you two.
Yeah?
I have a lot of business to talk with the both of you. You two went and tore up my backyard just a couple of days ago.
So
And I
There is no
have
proof of
I
this.
have to.
There is zero proof of this.
And I
Was that
have
the
to
yard of
wonder
vacuum?
through all your mental issues. Did you at least like the garden?
The yard.
yeah.
You vacuumed.
Did you at least like the garden?
What?
I did say I bet
that
on
garden.
fire.
Yeah, no, I liked it. I liked it.
Seriously, I worked really hard on it, trust me.
It looks nice when it's
No,
fun.
I really
My
like the garden.
bitch of an ex-wife keeps on telling me, "Oh, wheat and barley's bad," but then I'm just like, okay.
No, listen. Teach macaroni. Yeah. So, I remember I got a bin bag, alright? And I took my lighter and I shoved it onto your grass. So if there's a big burn patch, that may be why.
Denji, you did what?
You did what? To my grass?
So if you're missing like a patch of flowers
We're
that look
finished.
very nice, that may be why.
We're finished. Nah, Denji, just shut up.
You're excused.
Next to you.
You're excused.
Oh shit, I'm out of here.
Can I go too? I need the bathroom. I need the toilet.
I think you need a little lesson in manners.
Don't cut my wiener off, please. I need it.
I'm going to cut your skin and your teeth out. You little fucking gremlin. And better yet, I'll give you a 3-second head start.
So I can run?
1, 2, 3, little stick over! Your ass is mine!
Oh wait.
Little piece of shit!
Old man, I don't know how to say his name. Kishibe.
Like Kishibe?
I don't know. Yeah.
The teeth
He's
from like Kishibe?
he looks weird. What do y'all
I
think?
know, right? He seems like a pet.
He's a bit
He
special,
looks
you
like he came
know.
from
It's a bit odd.
He looks like he came from the war with the scar on his mouth.
Oh, yeah.
After a couple of years,
Do you guys
Like,
believe in
stab or
that?
something?
Ass sign language? Isn't that kind of weird? Or
Yeah, that's kind of crazy.
Okay,
I think so.
That's
In the
not
future,
real
like
language, you
diddle
know.
deaf kids.
if you go into any library, you won't find like books on that.
Yeah, so what's the point of
Yeah,
learning it
It's just
if
some
no one
bosh
knows
sign
it?
language he made.
I think so in the future he's trying to diddle some deaf kids. I don't know.
Oh my goodness.
He's probably gonna do more than diddle
Who's
some
that?
deaf kids.
Huh?
Do you guys see that? Or am I
I
just
didn't notice
like,
that.
weird?
What did it? What
Don't
was
say
that?
anything.
I saw someone.
Don't cut my fucking wiener off.
Oh my god!
Oh shit! Nah, we gotta say
Oh my god!
They're fucking killing the boy! They're killing my boy!
You
Oh my
bastard!
god,
This
he's
is what
dead.
happens when you burn my grass.
Bro,
I don't even like you
burn your
anyway.
grass.
Good
You
thing
doing
he-
too much.
Teacher.
Good thing he doesn't know I took a shit on his grass.
I'll do it too. I'll burn
You
your grass.
what?
Yeah, one, bitch. You can't do nothing. Run!
Hide.
I'll hold him off. Oh hell no!
You better hold for a goddamn minute! That's what you're gonna need!